What's up? Made it to camp. Just double checking, make sure I got everything. Pulled everything up with the ATV. Just barely made it up with the ATV. Solar panels, sled. Still gotta get the water in there. Alright. Good morning. Cloudy as shit. Alright. I put some ice melt down. Let's see if yeah. It was hard getting up the driveway, if you can tell. Leave today and go to the store. I still gotta go all the way down there. I'm worried about this stuff right here. That is like solid ice. It's a little grippy. Here, I'm good. I think I'm good. Definitely knock it to the ground, but that's gotta get all the way down there. Alright, the long walk back up. Gotta get the wood.
Records, videos, and pictures. I'm probably just gonna obviously mute them. I always mute them, so because I always talk about something. Anyway.
Yeah, I just did it again. I almost clicked on that. I am not seeing YouTube with that vlog.
Alright, we'll come back, go outside since it is like 30 degrees outside. think it's time to have well, let's see. There's 63 in the tent. So we'll put that out here and see how that goes. I think it's, what did they say, like 30 something degrees today? I think it was like 30.
Chilly.
Yeah, chilly. But they were like 30s in the winter. Is like beautiful. Yeah, so. Oh. Yeah. Getting 3 to 5 inches tonight. Here is icy. Making a hot drink.
Get started on a hot drink like Mr. Lone Wolf.
How you going? Got. Oh, now
All
we
we're
have.
missing is a boomer.
Yeah, 5 to 8 inches tonight, so I think we're gonna let the wood stove burn out and take the top off, because I think the tent can handle the snow, but I don't know if it can hold the extra snow from the top.
Yeah, you know what these are actually really good for?
What?
Walking around this, because as it melts, it melts.
Those things are really nice, huh? Yeah, we got these.
Ready?
Yeah, they're like little micro spikes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I don't slip into the fire, because that's what made me nervous.
Happy wife, happy life. Yeah, everyone knows, yeah, because.
No, it's, what is it?
Happy wife, happy life.
It's that, but there's something else.
We usually park.
Happy spouses, happy houses.
Yeah, we usually park like right here. You can see like almost the ground, and we drive right up and, you know, set everything up over there, and everything's amazing. But yeah, we only can get up to the corner, so we gotta sled everything up here. It's an adventure. This is our place. It's my happy place. But yeah.
Don't forget to say hi to my dad. And hi,
Dad.
Dave.
I
hope you're not telling me you told me so tomorrow.
Okay, still standing, Dave.
Yeah.
Yep. So I don't know. All right. I got to drive down the driveway because we're getting snowstorm tonight. So I want to be down there instead. That's where she's gonna park for the night. That is icy, like. So all we have to do is make it down there in the morning. I just don't want to deal with that. That's just scary as shit. Guess what? It's snowing out. Look at that. Would you look at that?
Right there. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Put yours on yourself. Put it yourself.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I guess there's some snow up there, huh? Shit.
Fine. And away from everything. Oh, look.
I need the wood thing. It should be right over there.
I got it.
Ooh, look at that. Thank you.
Shit's coming down.
Figures, alright.
Just watch your step. You're supposed
I can't even really see up there.
I'm gonna
Nah, there's really not much snow up there.
right even here.
Nah, it's actually really not much snow up there. Let me see.
Okay.
Go ahead, hit it.
Huh?
Hit it and I'll check. Nah, I don't think so. It looks pretty clear. Alright. I got to get me some wood. So, Jesus. This is like crazy. Yeah, so, this is what happens when you don't get enough wood. Honey, I'm home. Oh yeah.
They're like the size of quarters, some of them.
Crazy.
They're beautiful.
All right. Oh, beautiful. Pretty awesome over here. Yeah, about 3 inches, 2-3 inches. Not much. Tent's looking good. Good morning, my wonderful people. Oh, made it up the driveway in the snowstorm. Melissa's all in the tent. It's like a, I want to say like a high of like 10. Feels like 0. But actually like really beautiful out. I know. Let's see. No.
While you're out there.
We have 4 or 5 inches. Not too bad. Let's see. Oh, all the ice off this bad boy, huh? Oh yeah, huh? Wow. Well, looks like I'll be drying this up for a few days in my kitchen. I don't even know if I want to peel that off. That's my screen. So, I was like peeling the icicles off, and I'm gonna leave it. Just gonna leave it alone. But yeah, this thing held up really good. Like, I think at one time there was a couple inches on it. We kind of let the stove go out. But yeah, what a great night. Ah, beautiful. So glad Melissa stayed. She's a little nervous, you know, because her dad made her scared. But I'm glad we stayed.